coughing so you can kind of get an idea of what it is when you're targeted in the lungs. So anyways, I get targeted at work at my seat all day long at Public Works, and then I get targeted in my car. At Public Works, I don't know if it's actual. I know a lot of it's remote. I don't know if there's any in-house equipment that is causing me, what do you call it, is targeting me. I wouldn't be surprised, because when I lived in Whittier, my next door neighbors on both sides of the townhouse did have equipment, and if you go on my old YouTube videos, you'll see with my thermal imaging camera that I was able to capture that. So with that said, and that changes, like when I get home tonight, I'll go for a jog, and what happens is like a jog walk. So when I do that, then I'm able to cough up a lot of it. I don't, to the point where I don't have to cough, so I don't know how much of it, excuse me, stays in my lungs or what, as far as that goes. I'm not a doctor, but I have been to the doctor, and they borderline me, what did they say? I'm borderline asthmatic. But that was at the time. Now that I'm aware how the targeting works with my lungs, so I would say I don't consider myself an asthmatic, and I'm not about to start taking the medicine for it, unless I thought I really had to. So I don't, and just see how it goes with the targeting of the lungs, because it's not going to stop, and that's why I keep making videos about it, so I can just document the process of my lungs, my kidneys, my eyes, and of course, well, my fingers, because it got burnt. So I do all that, and that's about it. I'm almost home, and oh, this is my street. So anyways, just talking about that, and that's about it. So